Zoho Analytics Online Training. Introduction to Zoho Analytics, Features and Benefits. Zoho Analytics is a cloud-based business intelligence and data analytics platform designed to help organizations transform raw data into insightful reports and dashboards. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. Here's an introduction to its key features and benefits. Features of Zoho Analytics. Data integration. Supports integration with over 500 plus data sources, including cloud storage services, databases, business applications, and spreadsheets. Enables seamless data blending from different sources for comprehensive analysis. Data visualization offers a wide range of visualization options, including charts, pivot tables, and dashboards. Drag and drop interface allows users to create custom reports without needing to code. Provides pre-built templates and widgets for quick report generation. AI-powered analytics, ZIA. ZIA, Zoho's AI assistant, helps with data insights, forecasting, and natural language querying. Users can ask questions in natural language and get answers in the form of reports or visualizations. Collaborative features. Supports sharing and publishing of reports and dashboards with specific user roles and permissions. Enables real-time collaboration among team members. Mobile accessibility. Offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, allowing users to access reports and dashboards on the go. Ensures responsive design for all devices. Data security. Provides robust security features, including role-based access control, two-factor authentication, and data encryption. Ensures compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR. Advanced analytics. Supports SQL querying for advanced data analysis. Offers functionalities like what-if analysis, trend analysis, and predictive analytics. Enables creation of custom formulas for more in-depth analysis. Embedded analytics. Allows embedding of dashboards and reports into websites, applications, or portals. Provides white labeling options for branding. Scheduled reporting. Automates the scheduling and distribution of reports via email. Supports exporting reports in multiple formats: PDF, XLS, CSV. Benefits of Zoho Analytics. Ease of use. The intuitive drag and drop interface makes it easy for users without technical expertise to create and analyze reports. Setting up your first dashboard in Zoho Analytics. Setting up your first dashboard in Zoho Analytics involves a few key steps. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you create and customize your dashboard. Step 1. Log into Zoho Analytics. Access Zoho Analytics. Go to Zoho Analytics and log in with your credentials. Create a workspace. If this is your first time, create a new workspace to organize your data and reports. Step 2. Import your data. Data source. Choose your data source, example Excel, CSV, Google Sheets, SQL databases, etc. Upload data. Upload your data file or connect to your data source. Data preparation. Zoho Analytics might prompt you to prepare the data. You can clean, merge, and modify data here if needed. Step 3. Create reports. Select Dataset, go to the Reports section and choose the dataset you uploaded. Choose report type, decide on the type of report you want, example chart, pivot table, summary view, etc. Customize reports. Use Zoho Analytics drag and drop interface to customize your report. You can filter, sort, and apply functions to your data. Step 4. Build your dashboard. Go to Dashboards, navigate to the Dashboards section from the sidebar. Create a new dashboard, click on Create Dashboard. Add reports, drag and drop the reports you created earlier onto the dashboard canvas. Customize layout, resize and arrange your reports to create a cohesive layout. You can add text boxes, images, and widgets to enhance the dashboard. Apply filters. You can add global filters to your dashboard, allowing users to filter all reports simultaneously based on certain criteria. Step 5. Share and collaborate. Publish dashboard. Once satisfied with your dashboard, you can publish it. Sharing options. Share your dashboard with others by email, link, or embedding it in other platforms. You can also set permissions to control who can view or edit the dashboard. Schedule reports. Set up schedules to automatically email reports or dashboards to stakeholders at regular intervals. Step 6. Monitor and update. Live data. If your data source is dynamic, ensure that your dashboard reflects live data by enabling auto refresh. Continuous improvement. Regularly update and refine your dashboard as your business needs evolve. You can add new reports, change layouts, or adjust filters. Tips for effective dashboards. Keep it simple, focus on key metrics, and avoid clutter. Use visuals wisely, choose chart types that best represent your data, and make insights easy to grasp. Interactive elements. Utilize filters and drill down features to make your dashboard interactive. Consistency. Maintain a consistent design, colors, fonts, layout for a professional look. Data integration and connectivity in Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics offers robust data integration and connectivity capabilities, enabling users to connect to a wide range of data sources and seamlessly integrate their data for comprehensive analysis. Here are the key aspects of data integration and connectivity in Zoho Analytics. 1. Data source connectivity. Cloud databases and apps. Zoho Analytics connects with popular cloud databases like Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, and various cloud applications, including Zoho Apps, Salesforce, Google Analytics, and others. On-premise databases. It supports on-premise databases such as MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and PostgreSQL via the Zoho Data Prep application or Zoho Secure Gateway. File uploads. Users can import data from files like CSV, Excel, JSON, and XML, as well as from feeds like RSS. 2. Real-time data sync. Zoho Analytics provides the capability for automatic data synchronization with many data sources. Users can set up scheduled sync intervals ranging from hourly to daily to ensure their analysis is based on the latest data. 3. Data blending. Users can blend data from multiple sources to create unified reports and dashboards. This is useful for comparing and analyzing data across different systems within a single platform. 4. Pre-built connectors. Zoho Analytics offers a variety of pre-built connectors for easy integration with popular business applications and cloud services. These connectors simplify the process of importing and synchronizing data. 5. Custom API integration. For unique or proprietary systems, users can leverage Zoho Analytics API to build custom connectors. This ensures flexibility in integrating data from virtually any source. 6. Data transformation. Before analysis, data can be cleansed, transformed, and enriched using Zoho Analytics built-in tools or by integrating with Zoho Data Prep. Users can perform operations like filtering, merging, pivoting, and adding custom formulas. 7. Secure data handling. Zoho Analytics ensures secure data transfer and handling with features like secure gateways, encryption, and user access controls, making it suitable for sensitive data environments. 8. Integration with business intelligence tools. Zoho Analytics can integrate with other BI tools and systems, allowing users to extend its capabilities or incorporate Zoho Analytics within a broader data ecosystem. 9. Automated data collection. With Zoho Analytics, data collection can be automated using connectors and APIs, ensuring that data is continuously imported without manual intervention, thus maintaining data freshness. 10. Data governance and compliance. It provides tools for managing data governance and ensuring compliance with various regulations, making it easier to control access, audit trails, and data privacy settings. Advanced data visualization techniques in Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics offers a wide array of advanced data visualization techniques that allow users to create insightful and interactive dashboards and reports. Here are some key techniques you can explore. 1. Custom dashboards and reports. Drag and drop interface. Create complex dashboards by simply dragging and dropping various elements. You can include charts, widgets, pivot tables, and other visual components to present data effectively. Custom widgets. Design and embed custom widgets such as KPIs, progress bars, and gauges to highlight specific metrics or data trends. 2. Geomapping. GeoCharts. Map your data geographically using Zoho's built-in geocharting tools. This is useful for visualizing regional sales, customer distribution, and other location-based data. Heat maps display intensity-based visualizations on maps, helping to identify areas with higher or lower concentrations of data points. 3. Advanced charting options. Combination charts combine multiple chart types, example line, bar, area, in a single chart to compare different data sets or metrics side by side. Funnel and pie charts. Use these charts for visualizing processes, conversions, or distribution of categories within a dataset. Trend lines and forecasting. Add trend lines to charts to identify patterns or trends over time. You can also leverage Zoho Analytics forecasting features to predict future trends based on historical data. 4. Pivot tables and crosstab reports. Customizable pivot tables easily slice and dice your data with pivot tables. Zoho Analytics allows you to customize row and column fields, apply filters, and use various aggregation functions. Crosstab reports, similar to pivot tables, these allow you to view data across multiple dimensions, making it easier to identify correlations and patterns. 5. Interactive filters and user input controls. Dynamic filters allow users to filter data in real time by adding interactive filters to dashboards. This can include date ranges, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. User input controls incorporate user inputs, such as sliders or search boxes, into your dashboards to enable dynamic data exploration and customization. 6. Embedded analytics. Embed dashboards and reports. Integrate Zoho Analytics dashboards and reports directly into your website, portal, or intranet. This allows for seamless access to data insights within your existing systems. White labeling. Customize the appearance of embedded analytics to match your brand's look and feel. 7. AI-powered insights. Zia Insights use Zoho's AI assistant, Zia, to generate automated insights and summaries from your data. Zia can analyze your reports and highlight key patterns, anomalies, and trends. Smart data alerts. Set up smart alerts that notify you when data thresholds are met or when unusual trends are detected, helping you stay on top of critical changes. 8. Advanced scripting with Zoho's data prep and SQL. Custom SQL queries. Write custom SQL queries to create advanced visualizations that go beyond the standard options. This is particularly useful for complex data manipulation and transformation. Collaborating and sharing reports in Zoho Analytics. Collaborating and sharing reports in Zoho Analytics involves several features and tools designed to facilitate teamwork and ensure that data insights are accessible to the right people. Here's a guide on how you can collaborate and share reports effectively in Zoho Analytics. 1. Creating and managing workspaces. Workspaces. You can create a workspace for your team where all related reports and dashboards are stored. This helps in organizing your reports and making them easily accessible to team members. User roles. Assign roles like admin, user, or viewer to control access levels. Admins can create, modify, and share reports, while viewers can only view the reports. 2. Sharing reports and dashboards. Direct sharing. You can share reports and dashboards directly with individuals or groups via email. Choose whether the recipients can view, edit, or comment on the reports. Sharing via URL. Generate a public URL that can be shared with external users. You can set a password and expiry date for added security. Embed options. Reports and dashboards can be embedded into websites, intranets, or other applications. You can control the level of interactivity users have with the embedded reports. 3. Collaboration features. Commenting. Team members can add comments to specific data points or entire reports, making it easy to discuss insights directly within Zoho Analytics. Sharing insights. Use the Share Insight feature to highlight specific data points or trends and share them with your team via email or through a direct link. 4. Email scheduling. Automated emails. Schedule reports and dashboards to be emailed to your team regularly. This ensures everyone stays updated with the latest data insights without needing to log into Zoho Analytics. 5. Real-time collaboration. Real-time editing. Multiple users can work on the same report or dashboard simultaneously, allowing for real-time collaboration and quicker decision-making. Version control. Track changes and revert to previous versions if needed, ensuring that any errors can be easily corrected. 6. Access control. Data level security. Control access at the data level by applying filters that limit what data users can see. This is useful for sharing reports with different departments or external stakeholders. Role-based permissions. Set up role-based permissions to restrict or allow access to specific features or data sets. 7. Integration with other tools. Zoho collaboration tools. Integrate Zoho Analytics with other Zoho apps like Zoho Projects or Zoho CRM to streamline collaboration across platforms. Third-party integrations. Use APIs and connectors to integrate Zoho Analytics with third-party tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Workspace, enabling seamless communication and collaboration. Using Zoho Analytics for real-time data monitoring. Using Zoho Analytics for real-time data monitoring is a powerful approach to staying updated with your business metrics and making informed decisions. Here's how you can leverage Zoho Analytics for real-time data monitoring. 1. Data integration and import. Real-time data sources. Zoho Analytics allows integration with various real-time data sources, including databases, cloud storage, and third-party applications like CRM, ERP, marketing tools, etc. You can set up live connections to these data sources to continuously fetch and update data in real time. APIs and webhooks. Use APIs and webhooks to push real-time data into Zoho Analytics from your applications or systems. This enables immediate data updates without waiting for scheduled imports. 2. Dashboards and widgets. Custom dashboards. Create custom dashboards that display real-time data using widgets like charts, tables, KPIs, and maps. Zoho Analytics provides a drag-and-drop interface to design dashboards that suit your monitoring needs. Auto-refresh. Configure widgets on the dashboard to auto-refresh at specific intervals, ensuring the data displayed is always up to date. 3. Alerts and notifications. Data alerts. Set up real-time data alerts that notify you when certain conditions are met. For example, you can receive alerts if sales drop below a threshold or if website traffic spikes unexpectedly. Email and SMS notifications. Configure Zoho Analytics to send email or SMS notifications based on the real-time data alerts, ensuring you're informed of critical changes instantly. 4. Collaborative monitoring. Sharing and collaboration. Share your real-time dashboards with team members or stakeholders. You can set different access levels, from view-only to edit access, allowing collaborative monitoring. Embedded analytics. Embed real-time dashboards into your internal or external portals, enabling users to monitor key metrics directly from within other systems. 5. Advanced analytics. AI-powered insights. Use Zoho Analytics AI Assistant (ZIA) to ask questions about your data and get instant insights. Zia can analyze real-time data and provide actionable insights or generate predictions based on trends. Custom reports. Create custom reports that automatically update with real-time data. These reports can be scheduled to run at regular intervals or triggered by specific data changes. 6. Performance and scalability. Optimization. Optimize your data models and queries to handle large volumes of real-time data efficiently. Zoho Analytics offers various performance tuning options to ensure smooth data processing and display. Scalability. As your data needs grow, Zoho Analytics can scale to handle more data sources, larger datasets, and increased user access without compromising performance. 7. Mobile access. Zoho Analytics mobile app. Monitor real-time data on the go using the Zoho Analytics mobile app. Dashboards and reports are accessible from mobile devices, ensuring you stay connected to your data anytime, anywhere. Customizing reports and dashboards in Zoho Analytics. Customizing reports and dashboards in Zoho Analytics involves a range of options to tailor the presentation and analysis of your data to meet specific needs. Here's how you can do it. 1. Creating custom reports. Drag and drop interface. Use Zoho Analytics drag and drop interface to create custom reports by selecting columns and rows, applying filters, and grouping data as needed. Advanced visualization. Choose from various chart types, bar, line, pie, etc., to represent your data visually. Customize the appearance by adjusting colors, labels, and legends. Formulas and calculations. Add custom formulas to perform calculations directly within your reports, such as aggregate functions, percentage calculations, or custom metrics. Conditional formatting. Highlight specific data points by applying conditional formatting based on rules you set. Example, coloring cells based on thresholds. 2. Customizing dashboards. Dashboard layouts. Use Zoho Analytics flexible grid layout to arrange your reports and widgets on the dashboard. You can resize and position elements to create an intuitive and visually appealing dashboard. Widgets and KPIs. Incorporate different widgets like KPI metrics, charts, pivot tables, and custom HTML content to enhance the interactivity of your dashboard. Interactive filters. Add global filters to your dashboard that allow users to dynamically filter the data across all reports and widgets. Themes and branding. Customize the dashboard's appearance by applying themes, adjusting fonts, colors, and adding your organization's logo. 3. Sharing and collaboration. Sharing options. Share your custom reports and dashboards with specific users or groups. You can set permissions for viewing, editing, or collaborating on these reports. Scheduled reports. Automate report distribution by scheduling reports to be sent via email at regular intervals. Embedded analytics. Embed your customized reports and dashboards into your website or application using Zoho Analytics embedding features. 4. Advanced customization. SQL query reports. For more complex reports, use SQL queries to fetch data and build custom reports that are not possible through the drag and drop interface. API integration. Use Zoho Analytics API to integrate data from various sources and build reports and dashboards programmatically. Custom scripts. Implement custom scripts for advanced data manipulation and report customization using Zoho Analytics script language. 5. Mobile access. Mobile app. Access and customize reports and dashboards on the go using Zoho Analytics mobile app, ensuring that your insights are always within reach. Automating data imports and report scheduling in Zoho Analytics. Automating data imports and report scheduling in Zoho Analytics can greatly enhance efficiency and ensure timely access to updated reports. Here's how you can approach these tasks. Automating data imports. Setting up data sources. Connect data sources. Zoho Analytics supports various data sources, including databases, cloud storage, applications, and web URLs. You can connect to these sources and schedule automatic data imports. Data import wizards. Use the built-in import wizards for easy setup. You can import data from files like CSV, Excel, JSON, and XML, or directly from cloud drives like Google Drive and Dropbox. Database connectors. For databases, example MySQL, SQL Server, use Zoho Analytics database connectors to import data. You can schedule periodic imports to keep the data synchronized. Scheduling data imports. Schedule frequency. Define the frequency of data imports based on your needs, hourly, daily, weekly, etc. Data sync options. Choose between full data import or incremental data sync to import only the changes since the last sync. This reduces load and processing time. Data transformation. Data preparation. Use Zoho Analytics data preparation tools to clean, transform, and format data before it is imported. You can set up these transformations as part of the import process. Data blending. Combine data from multiple sources for comprehensive reporting and analysis. Automating report scheduling. Create reports and dashboards. Report Designer. Use the drag and drop interface to create custom reports and dashboards. Add filters, custom fields, and formulas as needed. Templates. Zoho Analytics offers pre-built report templates to accelerate report creation. Scheduling reports. Schedule frequency. Automate the delivery of reports by scheduling them to be sent at specific intervals, daily, weekly, monthly. Distribution channels. Reports can be emailed to stakeholders, exported to cloud storage, or embedded in web pages. You can set up these deliveries to happen automatically. File formats. Choose the format in which the reports should be delivered: PDF, Excel, HTML, etc. Alerting and notifications. Threshold alerts. Set up alerts based on specific conditions or thresholds in your data. Zoho Analytics can notify you or others when certain conditions are met. Report subscriptions. Stakeholders can subscribe to reports to receive them automatically based on the schedule. Best practices. Monitor performance. Regularly review the performance of automated imports and report schedules to ensure they run smoothly without errors. Data backup. Ensure that your data is backed up before setting up automated imports, especially when dealing with critical data. Version control. Maintain version control of your reports and dashboards, particularly when they are linked to automated processes. Why choose ProExcellency for Zoho Analytics online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Zoho Analytics online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency offers a detailed curriculum covering all aspects of Zoho Analytics, including data preparation, visualization, and reporting. This ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Experienced trainers. The trainers at ProExcellency are industry experts with extensive experience in Zoho Analytics. They bring real world insights and practical knowledge, which can help you understand complex concepts more easily. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency provides flexible learning schedules, including weekend and evening batches, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Hands on training. The training includes practical exercises, case studies, and real time projects, which help in reinforcing the theoretical concepts learned during the course. Customized training programs. ProExcellency can tailor the training programs to meet the specific needs of individuals or organizations, ensuring that the learning is relevant and applicable to your specific use case. Post-training support. ProExcellency offers post-training support to help you with any queries or challenges you may face while applying the knowledge in your work environment. Certification guidance. The training program is designed to prepare you for Zoho Analytics certification with guidance on exam preparation and practice tests. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency provides quality training at competitive prices, making it accessible to a wide range of learners. Positive reviews. Past participants have often highlighted the quality of the training, the expertise of the trainers, and the overall learning experience, which speaks to the credibility and effectiveness of ProExcellency's training programs. Thank you.